Hello. So anyways, you guys, as you can tell, I'm going to do laundry.
We need to go ahead and sing happy birthday.
So where? Oh yeah, it's a big one too.
We got plastic knives. Plastic knives is fine. Nani! You look pretty. I like your hair. Thank you. Sure do. Please say I don't lost weight. I don't belong.
Hi, So anyways, look, this is my new gig and it is so cute. Look. You want to be on? Look, every time I want her to be on, she won't. I'm gonna show her real quick. Like, hey. You see? But anyway, she's like, they have these now. Did you know they had these? That's awesome. Okay, I know, right? Okay, look, and they have the little playground out there. The little well, inside play. It's not outside, but it's an inside playground there. That'd be nice. Did you get me any sauce? Oh, I got the spicy chicken. Okay, so she has the salad that she wanted. Can y'all believe I didn't get any makeup? She's like, this is not about me, it's for me. So this one, she wants to get all of them, so yeah, that'll be nice to get her each one. But anyways. Okay, you guys. So, anyways, I just got back. I had to show you guys what I got. This one, which I didn't even know. Anyways, I don't know if you can, whatever. Anyways, it's really nice linen, and especially I got this for the fall. Because I wanted something like light and airy. So I wanted to show you guys some things that I've been picking up. Okay, guys. So anyways, oh yeah, I didn't even talk about my hair details. Excuse me. But anyways, my hair details. I told you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see this hair, it goes from like wavy to straight. And yeah, I miss you guys. I've been waiting to, like, you know, whatever. But anyways, you know, I miss you guys. So anyways, oh yeah. And hello to my new subscribers, because I saw that I had a few new subscribers. So hello, hi to you guys, welcome. So anyways, oh, I really like this one. I try to like, you know, show you guys the like items that I've picked up, and then like do some like outfits of the day so that you can see, you know, how it looks styled. But you guys, you know, I love it once I style. But yeah. Excuse me. Anyways, you guys, I got this one. This one is a, I think like this is like my, the fall style advice. Oh yeah, my nails. I have the, it's pretty. Yeah, but I have the, kind of like, I guess I don't know if this is the gel wear or not. But anyways, but yeah, it's really cute. But if you need to know the name, just ask me, and I'll leave the details there for you. But yeah. Anyways, this is one like I thought would be really nice for fall. And this is like a and what I like about it is the details here on the and I'll show you guys, excuse me, but it has the little details here on the one, so you can actually leave it like it is, or you can you could do it, either way, but I like this one. I like the details there, like this, so nice. And then here's the top of it, and it has like the little buttons there to go around. And then it has the belt too to go around the way. So, anyways, yeah. So it's just, but this is like a really, really nice one for fall. And then probably like the little booty heels. Those are, those are really cute. So like when this one, if we can see this one, like, isn't that so, like, that's just too darling. See? Oh, love these. So I'm really not gonna wear them till I want to style them with like some pretty nice accessories. But yes, I love this one. This is one of my favorites. And this is and then this one is another popular one, and it's actually on the Old Navy website. So if you want to get this one now, I know they have it on sale, so it is available for purchase. But this one is like so fall, like, yes. So yeah. But anyways, and then that's the details, the buttons. You can purchase that there. If they should still have some available, I know. And then this one, as you can tell, I'm getting ready for the fall season. So yeah, this one season. Oh, look at the excuse me. The details on this one, I really like this one. So yeah. You guys, I know there are a lot of good sales out there. You guys know how I like to get a good sale, so I know they should be having some more good sales that'll be coming up. Yeah, because there's a lot of things that I need. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. And I love, you guys know that I love to hear from you and, hear things that's like going on in your life too. I don't want you to just watch my channel and just be like, it's all about me, because I'm always thinking of you guys, always. So please don't ever come to my channel and just think that I'm thinking about myself, because I'm not. I'm thinking about you too, like, what's going on with you guys. And like I said, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because I do post there, and I try to let you guys know a little bit about me, and then I check up on you guys, see what's going on with you. So hello to my Insta followers, because I do try to keep up with you guys too, because I like to see what y'all doing. And I noticed, I'm gonna talk about this now. I noticed a lot of people have purchased the Louis Vuittons, and they are so pretty. They are so pretty. I cannot wait to go to be spoiled at the store and just get the, you know, like the different little things there. There are a few that are just so cute. But yes, I have seen you guys with them, and they are so nice. Yeah. It's been very nice. But yeah, that's just my little Friday chit chat with you guys. So yeah, I mean, even if you haven't, you know, and you desire, just, you know, keep on. You know, you got to start somewhere. Yeah, you got to start somewhere. And yeah. So, anyways, and this one is like a you can wear this one as a dress or a shirt with like the little pants, the little fall pants, like they have those. But look how pretty that is. Love this. And then yeah, this one like some. See, I was like, I just had to get this one, but look, and then this. Yeah. But these are the pants that like, well, not, they're not pants, but they're slacks rather, casual, because like, you know, if you just want to have like a casual look, and the loafers, I do like the loafers. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I saw the Gucci loafers. They're like $700, but you guys know that I like to get a deal. I like to get a sale, so I have seen them, the loafers, the little they call them cute, or maybe I can show you guys the style that I'm talking about. But like, if you're wearing a casual shirt, and that shirt, that was a linen, it was 100% linen shirt with the pants out too. But yeah, anyways. And then here are the details, the like wide leg there. Excuse me, the wide leg there. So you get to see them. Y'all know. If you have been like one of the followers, you know how I love the clothes. Like, I just really. That's why I try to work hard, but whatever. I try to, the goal that I set, I try to meet it. I'm trying to get even better at it each day, and I hope you guys are too. You know, have set your goal, and just, you know, keep working at those goals till you are the best. Not to you at the best, but you know, it's not about you. It's always about someone else. It's never about us. But anyways, this one is another one that I'm gonna do a shoe haul soon, cause once they start having some sales. And then this has the little button in the back. Excuse me. This one has the little button there. You see it there? Yeah, that's one. It has that one. But it has the fringe and the tassels. You know how they have the tassel earrings? So that would be nice with this one. And then the little heels on this one, but this one also. So it has the long sleeve on this one. Excuse me. I got every color t-shirt. I want to say that I got every color t-shirts, probably except for 2, but I got every color. Yep, I got every color. Every last one of them. Every last one of them. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh, come over, Liz.
Oh.
Hi, she's getting ready to go. Y'all know how I do my outfit of the days. I decided to do my mom's outfit of the day. She looks really pretty. She has a heritage dress on, and it's really pretty southern, and she's going to enjoy this nice fall weather. And welcome to fall, you guys. Tell them what.
Hi.